Welcome to our feature overview for Web Control, an integrated component of Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Windows. This component filters web traffic based on many criteria and protects companies from a multitude of web-based threats. With Web Control, administrators can easily apply powerful and flexible rules that enforce corporate acceptable usage policies at the endpoint. For example, blocking unwanted downloads or restricting access to web content, regardless of the endpoint location. Let's take a closer look. Web control policies can be applied to systems running Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Windows, meaning that desktop, laptop, and even Windows tablet users can be protected. Policies are managed using Kaspersky Security Center, which allows administrators to centrally control and report on the policies implemented from a single unified interface. Administrators can deploy effective, granular rules to enforce their acceptable web usage policy. Unwanted sites can be blocked by simply entering a list of web addresses. To speed up this process, Kaspersky provides lists of pre-configured categories, which are used for existing and new URL classification, ranging from webmail to social networking and gambling. These categories are regularly updated with the latest classification data. As well as blocking sites, individual content types can also be blocked. For example, companies may wish to block MP3 or video files that might infringe copyright. Web control rules can also be based on a user, group, or time of day. This allows for flexibility between corporate departments. So, for example, browsing rules could be relaxed during lunch hours or outside of the working day. If a rule is breached, there are 3 actions that can be taken: allow, warn, or block. Warning and block messages can be customized, for example with a corporate statement and a link to the corporate policy. Intelligent policies can also be implemented, so when a user leaves the office, their laptop can be subject to a completely different set of web control rules. Kaspersky Security Center provides access to detailed reporting on breaches of the web control policy. These reports contain a variety of information, such as the user's name, the policy breached, and the date and time of the infringement. As well as being available on demand, reports are granular and can be automatically archived or emailed to relevant departments, such as human resources. The Kaspersky Endpoint Security Web Control feature provides a critical layer of protection to both the business and employees from unwanted and potentially offensive content while surfing the web. The Kaspersky Endpoint Security Control Group is comprised of 3 important system management technologies covering applications, devices, and web filtering. You can watch the feature overviews of application control and device control, as well as a detailed overview of our Unified Management Console Security Center to find out more.